today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 445 different strategies, with 137 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved on a live trading account, which we are still trading, using the Academy of Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 344 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,060 indicators, with 442 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, best scalping indicator of 2025 revealed. And so we're going to put this to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. And it's not just a single indicator, so definitely not a scalping indicator, more a scalping strategy. But again, we'll put that to the test. So what we'll do is just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now, and the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the buy sell indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings, and under the inputs we're going to change the source to HL2. Then we're going to change the fast period to 15, make sure the fast range is on 1.6, the slow period to 50, and the slow range to 4. Jump into the styles and turn off the VWAP in the label selection, and then click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the regression indicator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings of this one, and under the inputs, we're going to change the regression length to 300, the regression normalization to 80, and the signal line to 40. Then jump into the styles and turn off everything in here but the regression indicator and the 0 line right here. And then go into the regression indicator selection right here and just double check that this is on columns. If it isn't, change it to columns and then click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade is we are looking for a sell signal like this here from the buy sell indicator. When we get a sell signal, we're then going to look down to the regression indicator, and we want it to have a black column like this here. And so once those two line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right at the green moving average line from the buy sell indicator. It's kind of hard to see it. If I zoom out a little bit, now you can see it right there. So we'll put our stop right there, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like so. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. We bobble around just a little bit before making this nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is we're looking for a buy tag from the buy sell indicator like this here. And then we're going to look down to the regression indicator, and we want it to have a blue column like this here. And once those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a long. We'll put our trade right there. We're going to put our stop again at that green moving average line right there. And then we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And a really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 21 winning trades and 29 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 42% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $11,600 for an overall gain of $1,000 altogether. So not a horrible strategy. It made a little bit of a profit, maybe after commissions and something like that. Probably would have been closer to break even. So I wouldn't say it's the best scalping strategy indicator, or best scalping indicator of 2025, or best scalping strategy. Now compare that to the Academy Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 49 trades altogether. We had 40 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at an 81% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $24,000. On the losing side, you'd have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $13,200. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $24,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. And so yesterday we closed out winning trade number 71. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now so that way you can take a look at that. That's 71 winning trades in a row, maintaining the 100% win rate. That's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. And back testing, the combination was so powerful it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord and look at the money back guarantee right here if you are interested in becoming a profitable trader. All right, that's it for this indicator or the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the yes list because it was able to maintain a little bit of profit, and we'll move on to the next video from here.